How to find group description settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find group description settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find any group you want, like this one. Click on it and then just click in the top corner here and scroll down until you find this one, add group description. Click on it and here you can manage group description. You can change it or remove it, and that's it. Then just click OK and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.